Welcome, everyone, to another pure air adventure here in the beautiful state of Virginia. Today, we're going to be hiking one of the iconic parks here in the state, the Grayson Highlands State Park. The hike is about 5 miles. It's supposed to be a difficult hike, and we're hoping to see the wild ponies here in this park. It's a brand new hike for myself, so it's another pure air adventure for me. But before we start our hike, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, turn on those notifications, and give me a thumbs up if you like this type of content. So without further ado, let's go. The trail so far doesn't seem difficult to me. It's kind of like a lot of gravel. I thought it was going to be more rocky, but it's just gravel, basically. There's not much to it. But as I said at the beginning of the video, there are wild horses here, and you can see their drops everywhere. So if you're doing the trail, make sure you watch where you step, or you'll take a souvenir with you. So today we're hiking with a group of friends. Like I said before, it's always fun to come to this place. It's with friends. It makes it fun, and it keeps you motivated. And this is one of the reasons why we come and do these hikes. Beautiful view of the Appalachians, Blue Ridge Mountains, however you want to call them. They just look just nice. Yeah, it was colder down there in the parking lot. But yeah, up to that little hill, it's just feels good. Yeah. I'm starting to take everything off. I already took off my gloves. So by the time we get to the end of the trail, I might not have a jacket anymore. Yeah. So make sure, people, friends, whatever you bring into trails with you, make sure you take it back with you. Don't leave your jacket, gloves, hats, whatever. Keep the trail clean for everyone. It's beautiful. I'd say it's a little windy today, but doable. It's amazing. How about this for a view? Isn't this amazing? I was reading somewhere that this resembles the Highlands in Scotland. I'm not sure if it's true or not. I have never visited Scotland, but this is beautiful. Now it makes me feel like I want to visit Scotland. People will come this way. See, it says Appalachian Trail. Then just walk down this path and continue on all the way to Maine. Amazing. Here's the proof. There's some horses around here. Watch where you step. Always be prepared. Get yourself some water. Get yourself snacks. Whatever. I would suggest to always bring something that will keep you warm, hand warmers or whatever, if you need to. And pack them. And definitely bring snacks and water. That should be the first thing they should put in your backpack all the time. But this looks so nice. you have done the Appalachian Trail, most likely you walk through here to continue to Maine. I hope this brings you good memories. We're just about to start the difficult part of this trail, or so I was told. Big boulders here. So if you're coming this way, you got to make sure that you have an appropriate footwear, because so many big rocks and it's easy to get hurt if you misstep. And always pay attention, because falling down on this type of trail is not gonna be a fun experience. And always, if you can afford, get yourself a pair of waterproof hiking shoes. As you can see, there's water everywhere. Probably mud too. So that's why you don't have to worry about anything. So we just came across a group of hikers that were staying or camping on Mount Rogers, which is the highest elevation here in the state of Virginia. If you have done that hike or camp or in that area, please leave a comment. I would love to hear from you and your experience about it. On the other hand, the more I hear about it, the more I want to go visit. Spend a weekend up here in Virginia just doing hiking. It's a fun activity. So always, when you do this type of trails, make sure you get yourself a hiking stick. It's always helpful. I have mine, but I don't know that I can use it right now because I'm filming. Take a look. This is the challenging part of this trail. A lot of boulders here. Always got to look up when you step, because it's not easy. Misstep can hurt you really bad. So always pay attention. The change in the scenery is just amazing. The more we go up, those evergreens start popping everywhere. I also like to hear some suggestions of other trails that I can hike. They are not too far from Raleigh, North Carolina. All right, we just came across another group of hikes, and this other person told us that the ponies, the group of ponies that the first group told us about, are about 200 yards away from here. So maybe we'll see a lot of more than one, maybe two. So if you do this trail and you come up to this ridge, you'll be able to see Mount Rogers, which is the highest elevation here in the state of Virginia. And you can just see the tip of it. So I'm just going to add it to my bucket list, of course. All right. So we got to the ridge, ready to start our climbing. I was just talking to one of my fellow hikers here, And he was mentioning that there is a part of this ridge that is a little bit difficult because you have to kind of crawl up. You got to crawl on your knees and hands to make it up. So we'll see how it goes. It's all about just having a good balance and making sure that you step in the right place, then you'll be all right. But definitely, I would suggest if you are a beginner hiker, always bring a hiking stick to help you. But look how pretty this is. Wilburn Ridge, here in the beautiful state of Virginia. I hope this is the name of it. But they are my fellow hikers. All of them having a great time down there. And it's making me jealous because I want to get off this ridge. It's just very windy. We'll start going back to the parking area. It's supposed to be about maybe 2 miles away from here. All right, we're making it down the ridge. Really windy up there. Always be safe, pay attention to where you step. It might be a little bit slippery up here. All right, so we came down from the ridge. I saw probably about 3 or 4 horses stand grazing over here. And I only see one. There were 2 roaming around here with this one. But now I don't see the other ones. All right, so we have another one of our friends here. Let's see what else we can find on the way back. But I got to tell you, this is an amazing hike. It's a beautiful place to come and visit. So keep coming out. Enjoy this beautiful land that we have been given. Take care of it, right? Make sure that when you do your hikes, stuff that you carry into the park, bring it out, right? We don't want to leave any trace. We are all responsible for protecting this beautiful earth. And this is one of the main attractions here. All right, so we're gonna have to try to make it through here. See what's up here. Maybe we'll get a bear or something. No, I'm just kidding. There's no such a thing. But of course, it's always interesting to come and explore this type of caves. So if you want to come, you want to make sure that you are aware it's very slippery in this area. All this mud makes it really hard to walk, especially with all dust, all this water. We are back at the end of the trail, or the beginning, whichever way you want to see it. About 6 miles. Difficulty wise, from 1 through 10, I would say is a 9, just because of the loose boulders. Uh, Plenty of water, good shoes, hiking stick. That will be my recommendation. And if you come in the morning, definitely bring yourself a nice jacket because it will be cold. We're hiking today, it's the middle of November. So this morning when we got here, it was a little cold. The wind is almost not blowing anymore, or that much to say. But just be prepared. Weather always changes. If you like this type of content, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.